facial wax strips are hypoallergenic and fragrance-free, specifically designed for sensitive, delicate facial areas. Perfect for the chin, cheek and upper lip. Start by briskly rubbing the strips between your palms and slowly separate the double strip into two. Apply the strip to the skin using your fingers. Firmly smooth over the strip 3 to 4 times in the direction of hair growth. Holding the skin taut, quickly remove the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. Ensure strip is removed close and parallel to the skin. The strips can be used more than once by folding the strip in half and massaging between your fingers. Continue to use until no longer effective. Remove any leftover wax with the post-calming oil wipes.